Guys, what is up? Random Gaming here, and I'm gonna go away from the noise. Although the noise is what I'm gonna be showing you today. And tomorrow's video will be, of course, the Disco 2.0 that you've all been waiting for. I didn't manage to make it more compact. I've already made the video. This is the thing. You place the iron blocks there and stuff. But this is not what we're here to talk about. What we're here to talk about is this noisemaker. So, as you see, this is a Redstone showcase, as you understand from the title. So I'm not going to be teaching you how to make this because it's too easy and it wouldn't get a lot of views. But let's turn it off so you don't have any noises. So it pretty much has an on and off switch, a one-tick redstone clock, which pretty much works with this redstone comparator. If I close that thing, it'll automatically stay. But if I do that, it'll be like that. Well, let's turn that thing off. Alright, so now this thing has these doors over here that make the most noise. So it's like you hear this, if you can hear it, of course. Yeah. Well, let's have a little bit of a louder sound just so you can hear me better. So you hear this? That is like by times 17. So you hear that times 17 times at the same exactly time. Whoops, I accidentally broke that redstone. That means that the doors won't work. Now they work. Alright, so it pretty much has that, and this is where you stand. And you can pretty much hear everything from here. And it is very bad. And it's also a very good house defense system. Look. Oh. That's not what I wanted to show you. So, you pretty much see? Yeah, like that. But when you're on the last door, it's very easier for some reason. For example, this is a double door, that's why it's so easy. Wait. Oh. Okay. Sure. Alright, so here are the pistons, making the least noise. This is where you stand at on. Oh. And so I have this, which pretty much powers all the pistons. So that's pretty much it. This is a awful try of making a triple piston extender. Yep. Alright, so guys, I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. As always, join my Discord community. That will probably have a link down below in the description. But yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. So, goodbye. Forever. No, not forever. Alright, just bye.